poignant and serve as real examples of what forced arbitration does to working people of America of all stripes. And it doesn't matter what party you are, you can be victimized by a forced arbitration clause. You all delivered a powerful message today. And this week, we find ourselves fighting a series of House bills representing the goal of systematically stripping away the rights of hard-working, law-abiding citizens to hold multinational corporations and other wrongdoers accountable and responsible for even issues like fraud and sexual abuse and harassment. Forced arbitration is an extension of those efforts to undermine our rights. They've been undermined in both the legislative branch and also the judiciary. Buried in the fine print of everything from cell phone contracts to your Uber account. These clauses bar you from taking your case to court for a jury trial when you've been hurt or harmed by the wrongdoing of others. The massive sex discrimination case against Jared K. Jewelers is the latest example of victims being forced into this rigged and secretive process known as forced arbitration. 9 years ago, a handful of brave female employees were required to use arbitration unsuccessfully to address sexual abuse, pay disparity, and gender discrimination claims, but they were barred from speaking about it during the pendency of that arbitration process, which is ongoing. Only last week, as part of that case, which involved 69,000 women, they've finally been able to share their stories, but unfortunately, after almost a decade, their cases are still trapped in forced arbitration. I'm proud to once again reintroduce the Arbitration Fairness Act, which I first led in 2007. It will eliminate the use of pre-dispute forced arbitration clauses in consumer, employment, and civil rights cases. The Arbitration Fairness Act, H.R. 1370,